Hello everyone, welcome back to TechChamps. Tired of the default iPhone ringtones? The good news is you can set almost any song as your iPhone ringtone. In this video, I will show you two easy ways to do it. Let's get started. The first method is use your own song. First, open a web browser like Safari or Chrome or Google and download the song you want to use. Once the download is complete, open the Files app. If you can't find the song, tap Browse, then go to Downloads folder. Your downloaded song should be there. Keep in mind that iPhone ringtones can only be 30 seconds or shorter. If your song is longer than 30 seconds, you will need to trim it by using a free audio trimming from App Store. And after trimming the song, press and hold the audio file. Then tap Share. Then tap Use as ringtone. Your song will now be added to your ringtone list. And the second method is to buy a ringtone. Open the Settings app. Tap Sounds and Haptic. Then tap Ringtone. Next, tap Tone Store. And browse through the available ringtone and choose the one you like. After purchasing it, you can set it as your default ringtone, your text tone, or even assign it to a specific contact. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to TechChamps, and I will see you in the next video.